Class 1 GK. Okay, let's start. Today we'll do this lesson 4. What is this? Lesson 4, My Senses. Now write the date 4 to 20. What is this? My senses. Sense organs, you know. How many sense organs you have? You have 5 sense organs, so they are called senses. If I ask you what are the 5 sense organs, can you tell me? Yes, please tell yes. 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. So what are they? Repeat once more. Everyone say eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. These are the 5 sense organs. Okay. Now let's start. Like you, I also have sense organs. Okay. This bird is telling, like you, I also have sense organs. I can see you. The bird is telling, I can see you. I feel hot in summer and cold in winter. I can hear you song. I can hear you sing. Okay. Ah, it is too cold. How do you senses work? Okay. See, now this bird also can feel. This bird also has sense organ. It can see, this bird can see, this bird can feel hot and cold. This bird can hear the songs that we sing. Okay, now it is telling it's too cold. Have you, how do you senses work? Now, how do you sense work? Now, see, let's start. How does our sense organs work? Now, how does our eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin work? We'll start this. We'll learn this today. Now, see. How do your sense organs help you? Now, how do our sense organ help us? Let's start now. I taste food with my... Now tell me, you taste food with your tongue. Very good. Now you taste food with your tongue. So write here tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. I watch cartoon on TV with my... Everyone knows. What do you watch? How do you watch cartoon with your what? With what sense organ? Eyes. E-Y. Yes, eyes. Very good. I can hear you sing with my... How do you hear? If anyone is singing, how do you hear? With what organ do you hear? With what sense do you hear? With which organs do you hear? Okay. You hear with your ears. E-A-R-S, ears. I smell flower with my... When there's a good scent or smell, how do you smell? You smell with your nose. I smell flower with my nose. Yes. I can touch my pet with my skin. You feel and you touch with what? With your skin. See, you touch, you have the skin all over your body. Okay. So that is called skin. You have skin all over your body. With that you can feel and you can touch. So that is called skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. Okay. So I taste food with my tongue. I watch cartoon on TV with my eyes. I can hear you sing with my ears. I smell flowers with my nose. I can touch my pet with my skin. Okay. You touch your pet with your skin. You can touch everyone with your skin, with your hand. On top of the hand you have the skin, the layer. Okay. With that skin you can touch, you can feel everything. So clear? If I ask you how many sense organs are there, you will say there are 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Clear? Now see. Identify your senses. Now you have to identify your senses. Some pictures are given here. See. Some pictures are given. You have to say, see which senses organs they have used. Okay, in this. It's yummy. The girl is eating ice cream. And the girl is telling it is yummy. What sense? How will you taste ice cream? You have to write the answer over here. You will taste ice cream with your... Tell me the answer. You will taste ice cream with your tongue. So you will write here tongue. Clear? Next. This boy is watching TV. This boy is doing what? This boy is Watching TV. So with which organ? With which organ this boy is watching TV? This boy is watching TV with his eyes. So what you will write here? Eyes. Next, number 3. This girl is hearing song. See the earphones. Earphones on the ear. Okay. So this girl is hearing songs with the earphones. See here. So which organ is she using to hear the songs? She is hearing the songs with she is hearing the songs and see she is enjoying. Okay. And she is hearing the songs with her ears. With her what? Ears. So what will write here? Ears. Here. Look at the girl. Number 4. The girl is smelling a flower. Here is a flower. The girl is smelling the flower. So with which organ she is smelling the flower? She is smelling the flower with her nose. So what will be number 4? Nose. So last one, number 5. See, I love my pet. This boy is touching the pet. This boy is hugging his pet with what? Touching the pet with his hands. That is, he is touching the pet with his hands as finger. And on top of the hands and fingers we have skin. So, this boy is touching the or hugging the pet with his hands or skin. Okay. He is feeling the pet. He is touching the pet with his skin. So, what will be this last one? See, he is feeling, he is touching the pet with his skin. What? With his skin. S-K-I-N, skin. So, number 5 is skin. Clear? This will be your homework. This one, I have done this one. You can take your pencil and write this one in your book. See, tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. E-Y-E-S, eyes. E-A-R-S, ears. N-O-S-E, nose. S-K-I-N, skin. So this will be your homework. This one you will do and click the picture and you will send in the WhatsApp group. Okay. This will be your homework. Okay. 4, 5. Now we test with our revise. Let's revise once more. We test with our tongue. We see with our eyes. We hear with our ears. We smell with our nose. We touch with our skin. So this boy is touching the pet with his skin. Okay. So we taste with our tongue. We see with we watch or see with our eyes. We hear with our ears. We smell with our nose. We touch or feel with our skin. Okay. Clear? So there are 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, and they are very important. Without them, the sense organs, we cannot do anything. So we should know our sense organs. They work for us and they are very important for us. Okay. So these are the sense organs. There are 5 sense organs and this will be your homework. This will be your homework. Okay. Everyone, it's very easy. You will do it and everyone will post me. Okay. You will get a good comment if you do it and send it in the WhatsApp group. Okay, everyone, all good children, you will do your homework and send me in the group. Okay. Okay, for today this much. Okay, now so mark till here. Okay, for today this much. Thank you. So number 4 lesson we have finished. Okay, thank you.